What if Lamborghini decided to build the ultimate luxury motorhome? Not just a camper, not just an RV, but a rolling supercar mansion that combines exotic Italian styling, jaw-dropping performance, and first-class luxury on wheels. Today, we're taking a close look at the incredible 2026 Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome, a machine that looks like it escaped from the future and landed straight onto the highway. This isn't your average motorhome. It's a statement piece, a luxury penthouse, and a high-performance grand tourer all wrapped into one massive package. Stick around because we're covering every detail, from its aggressive exterior styling to its ultra-premium interior, powerful performance, and eye-watering price tag. And trust me, you won't believe some of the features hidden inside this beast. Welcome back to SD Reviews Hub, the channel where we explore the most exciting vehicles on the planet. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary 2026 Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome, a vehicle designed for travelers who refuse to compromise on style, comfort, or performance. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. One look and you instantly know this motorhome carries Lamborghini DNA. The front fascia features sharp angular lines, aggressive air intakes, and futuristic LED lighting that resembles the headlights found on Lamborghini supercars. Every angle looks sculpted and aerodynamic, making this huge motorhome appear surprisingly athletic. The bodywork combines lightweight composite materials with premium aluminum construction, helping reduce weight while increasing durability. Massive panoramic windows stretch along the sides, creating an elegant and modern appearance. Carbon fiber accents are integrated throughout the exterior, adding both visual drama and a high-performance feel. Moving around the vehicle, you'll notice enormous custom alloy wheels wrapped in premium touring tires. The wheels feature a design inspired by Lamborghini's iconic supercar lineup, giving the motorhome a unique presence wherever it goes. Retractable side steps, illuminated entry points, and hidden storage compartments contribute to both functionality and luxury. At the rear, the design remains just as dramatic. Sleek LED taillights span across the back, while integrated aerodynamic elements help improve efficiency. A power-operated rooftop observation deck transforms the vehicle into a luxury viewing platform perfect for enjoying scenic destinations, sunsets, or special events. Step inside, and the Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a recreational vehicle. The cabin immediately surrounds occupants with premium materials, including handcrafted leather, Alcantara surfaces, polished aluminum accents, and real wood trim. The main living area is spacious and incredibly sophisticated. Plush reclining lounge seats provide exceptional comfort during long journeys. The seating arrangement creates a welcoming social environment where passengers can relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the scenery through the panoramic windows. The centerpiece of the cabin is a massive curved digital display that controls virtually every function inside the motorhome. From climate settings and lighting to entertainment and vehicle monitoring systems, everything is accessible through a sleek and intuitive interface. Voice commands and smartphone integration make controlling the vehicle even easier. Ambient lighting runs throughout the interior and can be customized to create different moods. Whether you're looking for a relaxing evening atmosphere or a bright daytime setting, the system adapts instantly to your preferences. The dining area features a premium table crafted from luxury materials and surrounded by comfortable seating. It's designed to provide a first-class experience whether you're enjoying breakfast, working remotely, or hosting friends during your travels. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin. Hidden compartments, premium cabinetry, and modular organization systems ensure that every inch of space is utilized efficiently without compromising the clean, upscale appearance. One of the standout features is the master sleeping area. The spacious bed features a luxury mattress, premium bedding, and adjustable comfort settings. Large windows allow occupants to wake up to breathtaking views, while advanced insulation ensures a quiet and peaceful environment regardless of the conditions outside. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Lamborghini influence becomes even more impressive. Under the hood, the 2026 Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome is powered by a twin-turbocharged hybrid powertrain producing an estimated 850 horsepower. That's an astonishing figure for a vehicle in this category. Power is delivered through an advanced all-wheel drive system designed to maximize traction and stability. Despite its size, the motorhome offers surprisingly responsive acceleration and confident highway performance. The hybrid system also contributes to improved fuel efficiency while providing additional torque for steep inclines and challenging terrain. The adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, delivering a remarkably smooth ride. Whether you're cruising across interstate highways or navigating mountain roads, passengers enjoy exceptional comfort and stability. Advanced driver assistance technologies further enhance the experience. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, automated parking systems, and predictive road scanning technology that adjusts suspension settings before encountering road imperfections. Safety remains a top priority as well. Reinforced structural construction, multiple collision avoidance systems, emergency braking technology, and advanced stability management systems help provide peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Of course, all this luxury and performance comes with a substantial price tag. The base version of the 2026 Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome is expected to start around $1.8 million. Higher trim levels equipped with exclusive customization packages, additional luxury features, and bespoke interior options can easily exceed $2.5 million for ultra-wealthy buyers seeking something truly unique. Lamborghini's customization division offers nearly endless personalization possibilities. Customers can choose exclusive color combinations, premium materials, custom graphics, personalized interior themes, and unique technology packages tailored specifically to their preferences. The result is a motorhome unlike anything else on the road. It combines the excitement and prestige associated with Lamborghini with the practicality and comfort of a world-class luxury motorhome. It's bold, extravagant, technologically advanced, and designed for people who want every journey to feel extraordinary. So, if money were no object and you had the chance to own this incredible machine, would you take the 2026 Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome on a cross-country adventure, a luxury camping trip, or a worldwide road tour? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching ST Reviews Hub. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest vehicle reviews. We'll see you in the next one.